Now returning to the death of Dolly Parton, dozens of visitors have been paying their respects to the country music icon at Páidí Ó Sé's pub in County Kerry today. The singer famously performed there in 1990, creating a long-standing connection between the singer and one of the kingdom's best-known families.
In my coat of many colours that Mama made for me.
Dolly Parton in 1990 performing Coat of Many Colours in Kerry GAA legend Páidí Ó Sé's pub.
It hasn't been washed since, so...
An unforgettable meeting of country music and Kerry football, which saw Dolly take home Páidí's 1985 All-Ireland final jersey and leave behind an everlasting legacy. Now, some 36 years later, that legendary performance and the woman behind it is being remembered once again.
I had no idea that she came here, so it's just like meant to be that we were in Dingle.
I was a huge fan of her singing and songwriting, but I was also a huge fan of her philanthropy.
To raise a Guinness to the one and only Dolly Parton has been really, really special for us. We just loved her and we grew up with her, and she's amazing.
And that affection continues to extend to the Ó Sé family, almost 4 decades since Páidí and Dolly first crossed paths.
Yeah, it's a wonderful story for us to have. Obviously, the photos are hanging up and people are in on a daily basis, and it's, it's the main picture that catches the most attention. And even today, since we've opened this morning, the amount of people coming in, American tourists even, to come in and see where she's performed, it's unbelievable.
Plans are already underway here at Páidí Ó Sé's to mark Dolly Parton's passing with a night of song, stories and celebration. A fitting Irish tribute to a country music icon and her astonishing connection to this small corner of West Kerry. Barry Gallagher, RT News at Páidí Ó Sé's pub in Kintra.